Here's a paradox. We get many of our resources from nature, and nature has declined in the last 50 years. So how is it that compared to 50 years ago, we have more food, drinking water, and other resources than humans have ever had? I'm Dan Riskin. Researchers looked across more than 2,000 studies and found that across 18 different categories of ecosystem services, the overall trend was indeed an overwhelming decline in nature. There's less pristine habitat left, the water's getting dirtier, and the climate is changing. Those researchers also confirmed that people are thriving. When you add up how much people are getting from nature, things have gotten much better, not worse. So the reason for the paradox? It's not a passive process. Yes, there's dirty water, but we can filter it before we drink it. Yes, there are fewer fish in the sea, but we can build fish farms. Yes, pollinators like bees are in decline, but we can shift to wind-pollinated crops or pollinate the crops ourselves. The researchers came to two important conclusions though. One, this is not sustainable. At some point, nature gets broken and can't give back to humans no matter how clever we are. And two, these improvements for humans aren't felt equally by everyone. They're mostly true for people in cities. But for those living close to the land, that environmental degradation has a cost that is felt every day as a lack of drinking water, collapsed fisheries, and more. And in Canada, those impacts are felt most strongly by First Nations communities. So yes, it's easier to get a burger than it was 50 years ago, but there's still good reason for us to make changes on behalf of the environment. For ctvnews.ca, I'm Dan Riskin.